Here's what you need to know about what is a broadcast domain. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A broadcast domain is a network segment where all devices receive the same broadcast traffic. When a device sends a broadcast, every other device in the same broadcast domain receives it. Routers separate broadcast domains. Switches and hubs do not. Key concept: what a broadcast is. A broadcast is a packet sent to all devices on a network segment at once. The destination address is 255.255.255.255 IPv4 or FFFFFFFFFFFF MAC. Every device in the domain receives and processes it. Key concept: routers split domains. Routers block broadcast traffic by default. Each router interface creates a separate broadcast domain. A network with 3 router interfaces has 3 broadcast domains. Key concept: switches don't split domains. Switches forward broadcasts to every port in the same VLAN. Without VLANs, an entire switched network is one broadcast domain. All devices receive every broadcast. Key concept: VLANs create boundaries. VLANs split a single physical switch into multiple broadcast domains. Devices in VLAN 10 do not receive broadcasts from VLAN 20. This reduces unnecessary traffic and improves performance. Let's look at the full breakdown. Hub: splits broadcast domains, no. Splits collision domains, no. All ports in same domain. Switch: splits broadcast domains, no, without VLANs. Splits collision domains, yes. One domain per VLAN. Router: splits broadcast domains, yes. Splits collision domains, yes. One domain per interface. VLAN: splits broadcast domains, yes. Logical separation only, requires layer 3 to route between VLANs. Here's a real-world example. An office has 200 computers on one flat network with no VLANs. Every DHCP request, ARP broadcast, and NetBIOS announcement goes to all 200 devices. This wastes CPU cycles on every machine. By creating 4 VLANs with 50 devices each, broadcasts only reach 50 devices, cutting broadcast traffic by 75%. Quick recap before you go. 1. A broadcast domain is a group of devices that all receive the same broadcast frame. 2. Broadcasts use destination IP 255.255.255.255 or MAC FFFFFFFFFFF. 3. Routers always separate broadcast domains, one per interface. 4. Switches forward broadcast to all ports in the same VLAN. 5. VLANs create logical broadcast domain boundaries without adding routers. That's what is a broadcast domain? Covered. Exam tip: remember, routers separate broadcast domains, switches separate collision domains. A switch with no VLANs. =, one broadcast domain, but many collision domains, one per port. Next up, what is a collision domain? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.